We're just trying to broaden people's experiences a little bit here. Sights, sounds, smells. They like to see the action. They like to see the blacksmithing going on. They like the steam engine going to see how it was back then. And they like to be able to go over to the other side of the river, sit down on a log, have a cup of billy tea and damper in it.
It's fantastic. It tastes great and it's good to see it cooked in the traditional way.
You wouldn't get too many of these there, though. Lovely.
Chemist has been a major project. We've got a lot of lovely displays in there of the old apothecary bottles and that kind of thing. There are potions and liniments and lotions to fix anything. Our mechanic Les Wyatt is very skilled in mining, and he's been getting the crusher, the plant going there, and he can actually feed tin ore into that and show people how it was back in the old days when the stampers sounded in town. It's like stepping back in history. It's stepping back to a simpler time.